I want to report my case to find that man who played with my life. I want to find him because my life now is very hard. I don't have a life now.
Ayaan has come to meet the local police chief. She wants to track down the man who tricked her into a sham marriage.
Next client.
Nakuja kuripot kesi yangu.
Where is he now? Where can I find him?
Last week he was here. So now if he's here or not, I don't know.
Okay, give me his number. Hello, please can you come to my office? My name's Jawahir Mohammed. I am the area chief of Islin North Sublocation, and I have your wife here. Your wife Ayaan Issa Salah, complaining of disowning of your child. Please, can you avail yourself in my office? Give me time frame. 11 o'clock. Thank you. Okay, welcome. Just wait till you will come.
Okay.
And then we will solve your problem. Next customer.
This is Eastleigh, a district of Nairobi, where a growing number of women have been reporting serious cases of male exploitation. They are victims of a form of sex tourism. Somali men from the West travel here to have sex with young women, but do so under the guise of marriage. It's known as vacation marriage.
Most of the population in Eastleigh are Somalis. It has also become a popular destination for Somalis who live in Europe and America.
I have come to meet Ayaan at home. She's staying with a friend because her family have thrown her out.
guurkan dhibka uu ku keenay familkaagii baa ku dayriyay.
Walaalkay gaariga u dambeeyay magaalada ku socdaa. Laakiin ma arki karaan baabuurka kugu dhufanaa oo dhagaas ka soo baxay.
Why?
Ma ku arki kariib uu caay ceebaysay wana ceebaysay magaceena ku ciyaartay. Subaxdeena la isreer Ciise Saalax magac weyn ay leeyihiin adduunka. Laakiin magaceena adiga ku ciyaaray garaac noo keentay. Walaashii xataa maalin loo la aroosay xalla hay wadana tii ka yar wadana wala aroosay. Adiga laakiin lagu ma aroosin uurka ugu horeeyba garaac noo keentay. إلا هذا أنا أسمع كل اسمه جعلي والله. لا لا ما يسنو أنا عنق يجيب لا لا كنا لا ما يسنو.
Displaced by war and poverty, many Somalis settled in the West, but they regularly travel back to East Africa. Some of the men who come here use brokers to seek out brides who are virgins or clean, as they call them.
To conduct the marriage, all they need are 2 male witnesses and a so-called sheikh to give his blessing. But when the men return to their families in the West, their new brides are abandoned. No longer a virgin, their dignity and honor within society is gone.
Yasmin grew up in the Kakuma refugee camp. She moved to Nairobi after losing both her parents. And it's here she met a Somali man from London. She reported her case to the police and his relatives, but she says he tricked her again.
anagoo planki ku jirno u dhahay guri soo raaso intee guri ma ka heshay isoo sheeg aan plankeen ku jirnay uu ii imaado idee gabar walaashay imaado cunuga keenan soo tusaa waa soo laabanayna waay hande waa u leelabisay caani waxaasaa ugu shubay u qaatay moobig dambe ma u soo noqoninba.
Police are trying to crack down on these so-called vacation marriages. But men know that dollars and a Western passport can often help them evade justice in Kenya.
Hello, children officer, how are you? Morning. I have a case whereby the person is an alien from Somalia. The father is nowhere to be seen.
Every morning, women queue up to meet Jawahir Muhammad, the only female Somali police chief in Nairobi. She sees more than a dozen women a day complaining about male exploitation. Women here trust her because she understands their plight.
So she gets this man, came from Europe. He promised her heaven, whereby he will not do anything for her. When he gets her, the few months that he's been given visa to stay in the country, he will stay with her and get the marriage. You know, he will take her to a sheikh, they will engage each other. This lady, she can get disease for first. She can get disease, she can get pregnant. And this man, when he goes back, he leaves her in a pathetic way. So, this lady, she doesn't know how to trace this man. This lady, she doesn't know the way forward. She is there to suffer alone.
Night after night, we met with men who boasted about marrying young women. None of them wanted to go on camera. But a group of young Somali professionals we met said this practice was an open secret.
When a guy comes solely just with an intention of sex tourism, it's a very big global phenomena. Guys go to Thailand, to China, to Asia. It's everywhere. It's actually an issue that's been talked about, but not in the Somali societies.
I believe girls have some bit to play. I mean, we can all say 100% men are the problem. Once this guy comes, her intention is to exploit as well.
There's some girls who live below $1. They don't even have $1 to use for a day. That's so disheartening. So when this girl tries to change her life, tries to look for work, she goes to a guy, or the only thing that he sees, this girl is vulnerable. She has nothing. She came up to his door to look for work. So the only thing that he thinks first is, can I use you first? You get it?
And some of these women end up in Eastleigh's red light district. It's where 17-year-old Jamila works.
meeshaan dhammaan soo gashay qof kale oo Soomaali isla degan soo galaysa malaha aan laakiin unugteeda aan kursanaya aan deganahay magac xun ay ugu dhacsantahay waxay leeyihiin meesha muteenka waa laakiin aniga gabar Soomaaliyeed oo soo galaya meesha unugteeda seexanayso aan deganahay.
Jamila was only 15 when she met Mahat from America. She was forced into sex work after being abandoned by her family.
ninka gabar saaxiibadeeda wiil saaxiib oo qabo ay baraniga oo wiilkan uu ka helnay Mareykanka ka yimaaday adiga soo ugu xirgay wax badan oo ku qarash gareeyay qarash lacag oo ugu sabeel ninka markuu ismay la joogay 3 bilood amal uu baxay.
Jamila wanted us to show her face, hoping someone would help her.
markaad noloshaada sideed ku dabartaa
inaan dambo aqalgayga intuu xaaltanaay ugu dambeynayso ma kalsoonaanay wax kastoo dhisi waad bacda heerka kala dhamaysan lacagtiisa unugteeda waxa uu soo gadanaa soo gatay gurigana aan iska bixiyay bas.
How does it make you feel that Somali men are coming here to abuse young
So
girls?
as a mother, I feel very, very bad to see a woman who have made either a child or does not have a child, but her marriage is not settled. I feel very bad. I could urge those men who are coming to marry, let them fear God and sustain the marriage.
Ayan never did hear back from her husband. His 11 o'clock appointment with the police chief never happened. But Ayan hasn't given up trying to find him.